Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You need concrete skills fast. Focus on Python core, OOP, and libraries relevant to your target role. Once you have basics, make 2 small projects that solve real problems so employers see working code. Make your GitHub tidy. Clear README, 3 meaningful commits, and a short demo GIF. Then, craft a concise 1-paragraph summary of each project. This helps you talk about impact in interviews and in applications. Now scale your outreach efficiently. Pick 10 companies and tailor 1-line explanations of why you fit each role. Simultaneously, reach out via LinkedIn or alumni networks with a specific ask, review my project, 15-20-minute chat, so responses are easier to get. While waiting, practice 10 focused coding problems and refine star interview stories tied to your projects. Make sure to log every contact and follow up. In the final phase, you convert interviews into an offer. Treat every interview like practice while aiming to learn and show curiosity. Once interviews start, clarify timeline and ask about onboarding, mentor support, and whether it's paid or for credit. After each interview, send a short thank you and update your tracker. If things stall, follow up politely after 5 business days. Troubleshooting tip: if you get rejections, ask for feedback, iterate projects, and target slightly smaller companies to increase odds.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.